video is a continuation of the other video. The other video I was replacing the passenger side blend door actuator. On this video I'm going to replace the driver side blend door actuator. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this trim that would normally go here. It's literally just a series of clips, panel clips. You just give it a good tug carefully and it should come out. Then, which I already did, you remove this. This normally goes in here, okay, and it's held on by two 7mm screws. So once you take this out, you're gonna see the actuator. You're gonna put your light in here, and you have two actuators. You have one actuator here, and then you have another one over there. This is actually the mode actuator, so you leave that one alone. This one right here is the blend door actuator here. Okay, first I'm going to remove the plug here. This tab, you gotta push it, and now you remove the plug. And now I'm gonna take a 5.5mm socket to remove this screw. I don't know if I can focus the camera. And there should be another one on this side, and that'll be the only ones. And then you have the guide here. So one here, one over here, and we remove that actuator. Okay guys, so I'm removing the first screw with a 1/4 inch ratchet and a little, maybe an inch extension with a 5.5mm socket. Just do it slow and just make sure the screw doesn't fall and get lost. Okay guys, I removed that first screw. Now I'm making my way on the other one. Same, using a small extension. Maybe you can see. Just slowly take that screw out. Okay guys, this is the actuator here. Okay, I'm going to be replacing it with a Dorman 604166. Let's take a look at it. Okay, let's compare it. Everything seems to be... Okay guys, so the other actuator is already put on. I haven't put the screws on yet, but I wanted to show you that to make it a lot easier with these screws, you're gonna take a toilet paper or anything that's paper like this, or shop rag, or I think paper towel will work on this, and you're going to get the socket and you're going to put it like this. You're going to take that paper towel and you're going to basically put the screw on the socket with the paper towel in it. That's going to prevent the socket or the screw from falling off. Okay, that's going to help you basically guide the screw back in its place, and you don't run the risk of it falling on the floor. So do that, and then basically with your hand just slowly tighten the screw on the actuator. Just put your hand inside, and I won't be able to show you because I'm actually going to do it, but just put your hand inside, feel around until you see the hole, and then just slowly start putting it in there. Okay guys, this is the one on top. Just get your finger and just do it until it tightens, and then do the other one, and then we're going to use the ratchet. Okay, this is screw number 2, and like I said, don't be afraid to put your body in there. You're gonna have to like put your hand in there and try to basically maneuver your body to where you can see it, so you can know where you're screwing in. You might have back pain the next day, but hey, it's all worth it. Okay guys, the actuator's in its place, the plug's in its place. Okay, make sure you put everything back in reverse order that you have to take out to get to here.